Three things you are going to learn from this video. First, if you are new to Stable Diffusion, you will learn how to install Forge. If you already have Automatic 1111, you will learn how to share Automatic 1111 models folder with Forge so that it doesn't take up the additional space on your disk. Third, I'm doing speed comparison to show you how fast is Forge. So let's get started. If you are comfortable with Automatic 1111, you are going to love Forge. Forge UI is similar to Automatic 1111, that means it has no learning curve. My main reason to switch to Forge is because of the speed it offers. I observed at least a 50 to 60% speed boost compared to Automatic 1111. And if you are new to Stable Diffusion and want to try Stable Diffusion locally on your PC, please skip ahead to the timestamp on your screen for easy installation instructions. For speed comparisons, I used three types of resolution: a basic 512x512 image, a 768x768, and then I used 640x640 with a high-res fix on that image. Check this out. In my test at 512x512 resolution, Forge absolutely crushed Automatic 1111 with a 50% speed increase. That's a major time saver. The results were same in the 768x768 image resolution as well. But the speeds came down slightly when I used high-res fix and produced a 1024x1024 image, but it is still better than Automatic 1111. These results are based on a GTX 1650 4GB GPU. Now let's move on to installing Forge. The first step is to go to this page on GitHub. I will link the page in the description below. Now you will see this green button on which the code is written. You just have to click it and copy the link like this. Now come back. Now go to the folder where you want to install Forge. I prefer to install it on SSD. Right click and click open terminal. Now write git clone and paste the address you just copied and press enter. This process will take time. It will install a bunch of things for you. Once the cloning process is complete, you will go to your Stable Diffusion Web UI Forge folder, double click on web UI user.bat file, and now it will download the heavy stuff for you. It might take time. It totally depends on your internet connection. Once it is downloaded, if you have high-speed internet, it will be done quickly. Once the process is done, the Forge UI will open automatically in your default browser. You can use the default browser or you can use the browser of your choice. That's totally up to you. You just have to copy this URL and paste it into the browser of your choice. If you are new to Stable Diffusion and want to learn more, please let me know what do you want to learn next. Thank you. Now let's look at how to share Automatic 1111 models folder or lora's folder with Forge so that it doesn't take additional space on your storage. Go to your Forge folder, right click on web UI user.bat file, click on edit in Notepad. Now if you already have Automatic 1111 folder, you just have to write, like in this instance, I have written ckpt-dir and then my address for Automatic 1111 folder. That's what you have to do. I will paste this in my description so that you can copy and modify it according to your address. And then you have to press on the save button. And the next time you start your Forge UI, you will see the modifications you made in the file. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you.